September 8th, Stock Playbook's focus list. Open Table was our big mover today, unfortunately to the downside. News came out that Google bought Zagat, the restaurant survey company, the restaurant ranking company. A lot of people think that's a potential negative for Open Table. While Google as a competitor is not something anybody would wish for, Open Table's got nice market share. They got a good little product that they help companies, make more money. So while short-term negative, I think ultimately this is providing a buying opportunity. $55 has been the support level. We held it today on a closing basis, undercut it intraday on the news. But you could see here on a 5-minute chart, stock just sold off quickly. Quick 8 points in a matter of probably a half hour, 40 minutes before stabilizing. I think this is setting up. We've been kind of waiting for Open Table to show us something, and the stock is still firmly in a downtrend. But with this recent sell-off on this news, I think Open Table's giving you a great opportunity to take a shot at the stock with a real tight stop. If it closes under $54.50, you get out. So whether you get in at 57.5 or 55.5, a close under 54.5, you're out. If you look at the weekly chart, we had support at this 55 level back here. If we lose this support at $55 a share, you could see there's really no support to speak of until you're in the mid to upper 30s. So Open Table, you give it a shot here. They still got phenomenal growth, great revenue growth, great earnings projections going forward. This is a name I still like and think it's providing an opportunity for us to get long here. Heavy volume, close in the lower half of the range, but Open Table needs to be on your radar. Travel Zoo got downgraded today. Stock met with some profit taking. 31.45 was the recent low. That's your line in the sand. I mean, it really is that easy. You look for nice setups, nice risk to rewards. So you get long here on this pullback. We just had a nice bounce off this level up over 40. 32 to 40 is a nice 22-23% gain. So you get long down here at 32, you put a stop at a close under 31 and a quarter. So you're risking $1.50 to $1 to the downside to see if this bottom holds. If the market sells off and we break through it, no harm, no foul. You lose 50 cents or $1. If this market in rally mode continues and this was just one day sell off, then by all means, this is a stock that I think could be right back up at 40, 45, 50, and ultimately with patience, 6 months, a year, 2 years from now, could easily double, if not triple from here. Phenomenal growth in front of this company, hence it's on our radar. We continue to like Travel Zoo. American Vanguard, AVD. Nice little pullback today. I'd like to see this come in towards that $10 level. We got a gift back here when the market, weakened, had a nice bounce. Let's see a pullback towards that $10 level, and it's a no-brainer. You get long American Vanguard as an investment. MITK hit another new high. There's no way you chase this stock up here. It's kind of stolen out, heavy volume, but we're not really accelerating to the upside like we did. Ultimately, I think this stock's going to pull back, consolidate these gains, probably around the $10 level, at which if it does pull back to that level, I think it's a great entry point. SodaStream continues to impress. Third day in a row, decent volume as we continue to slowly but surely round out the bottom. I don't think this thing's off to races, but it's in the process of bottoming. SodaStream continues to be a name we like. Fusion IO took out your recent lows. We're looking at the IPO, $19 a share is the level. Heavy volume, heavier than average volume yesterday. Today, we were more than double our average daily volume. Stock continues to be in a downtrend. It's priced for perfection, but they got solid, accelerating revenue growth, good earnings projections going forward. I continue to think Fusion IO will be a winner when this market manages to gain some steam, which I'm not sure it's ready yet. That's why these stocks are just on our list, although I do own a large percentage of them. Netflix, had a little bounce, but stalling out again. I still think the next violation, I think we lose that 200 level. I think you could really see the selling accelerate to the downside if you're looking for a short. I think Netflix goes short, and if it does bounce up to that 225, 230 level, great entry level to establish a short. And Arcos, Dorados, another new high. Largest franchisor of McDonald's, 1,700 plus stores in Latin America and the Caribbean. Really nothing else to say that even in this tough market, this stock continues to move higher. Any weakness should and could be bought in Arcos, Dorados. That's it for the stocks. Taking a look at the Playbook focus list. Have a good night. I will talk with you tomorrow.